Hi, I'm Dr. David Haase at the MaxWell Clinic, and we're very excited to announce a new study looking at a novel diagnostic tool to help us understand long COVID. This is a study that we're doing in a collaboration with the University of Iowa, and it is utilizing a unique RNA-based test to help understand who has long COVID and who doesn't. As we all know, or most of us know, long COVID is a really big problem, and diagnosing it is a large challenge. Um, this particular test helps to understand um, markers, a multitude of markers in the blood that definitively understand, is this long COVID or not? This is a important early trial of this particular technology. And this is a patient-funded study, which means that while MaxWell Clinic is donating our resources to draw the blood and to process the blood and do those things, the laboratory itself costs $800 per blood sample. And this study is doing two samples, one initially and then one again 30 days later. This is an early step to understand, does this diagnostic tool help delucidate what type of long COVID individuals have and what are the pros and cons of this particular testing methodology. We need volunteers, and if you are wanting to be part of the solution of helping to understand long COVID, I would invite you to submit an application to be a participant in this trial. Um, you have to be over 18 years of age and competent to sign and inform consent, not be willing or not be afraid of needles, and be willing to have two blood draws taken 30 days apart. Thank you for your consideration as all of us are working together to understand, um, you know, how is this prolonged illness, long COVID, or not some other disease process? Eventually be able to predict if an individual would be susceptible to developing long COVID, and also help predict what part of the body is most likely going to be impacted by the long COVID. Um, there's a lot of important questions, and you could be part of the solution. So thank you for your time.